Welcome to Delicious Discoveries. Today we're going to make that British favourite, bubble and squeak. Here's what we'll need. There's some potatoes which we're going to boil and then mash. Some onions, some garlic, a lot of kale and some herbs. We'll start by boiling the potatoes. While they're boiling, ready for mashing, we'll cut up the vegetables. The potatoes are now cooking, and on top we've put the steamer with the kale inside. Here's the kale steaming away. I'll put the top back on. Bubble and squeak is traditionally made using leftover vegetables. So we've prepared the onions and the garlic, and from the fridge we've got some carrots, some potatoes from yesterday and some green beans which we'll be using later. The kale is starting to wilt as we wish it to do in the steamer. Now we'll fry the onions and garlic in olive oil, and we'll add salt, black pepper and some Italian herbs. We will now stir fry until the onions are soft. The potatoes have now cooked and are ready now to be mashed and mixed with the other vegetables to make our bubble and squeak. The potatoes have been mashed with the carrots, and so it's time now to add the vegetables. Here's some pureed kale, the fried onions, there's the green beans, and most of the kale. The onions have been added to the mashed potato and mixed in. The pureed kale has been added and mixed in. The green beans have been added and mixed in. And finally the kale has been added and mixed in. The bubble and squeak has been formed into patties now and will be fried. The bubble and squeak patties are now fried. The bubble and squeak is finished. Serving suggestion: with an egg fried, boiled, scrambled, poached and some bacon. Bon appetit!